What if I told you one man built one of the world's largest aluminum empires and quietly became one of the richest people on the planet? No flashy lifestyle, no viral interviews, just power, industry, and billions. This is the story of Zhang Bo, the man behind China's aluminum dominance. Zhang Bo wasn't born into fame, but he was born into opportunity. Born in 1970 in China, he is the son of Zhang Shiping, a factory worker who would later build an industrial empire from scratch. But Zhang Bo didn't just inherit success, he multiplied it. The story really begins with his father. Starting with a small textile business, Zhang Shiping slowly expanded into heavy industry. Then came a bold move, aluminum production. At the time, aluminum was becoming one of the most important materials in the world, used in construction, transportation, and electronics. But producing aluminum required massive energy and infrastructure. Most people saw risk. The Zhang family saw opportunity. When Zhang Bo stepped into leadership, he didn't just continue the business, he transformed it. He became the chairman of China Hongqiao Group and took it to a global level. Instead of relying on traditional methods, he focused on vertical integration. That means controlling everything, from raw materials to final production. This strategy cut costs massively and gave his company an unbeatable edge. Under Zhang Bo's leadership, China Hongqiao didn't just grow, it exploded. Factories expanded, production skyrocketed, and soon the company became one of the largest aluminum producers in the world. From airplanes to skyscrapers to smartphones, chances are aluminum from Zhang Bo's empire is part of your everyday life. So what made Zhang Bo different? It wasn't just scale, it was strategy. He focused heavily on reducing energy costs, one of the biggest expenses in aluminum production. By building power plants close to factories and optimizing operations, he created a system that competitors struggled to match. While others spent more, Zhang Bo produced more for less. That's how empires are built. But success at this level doesn't come without challenges. As China Hongqiao expanded rapidly, it faced scrutiny. Questions were raised about environmental impact, debt levels, and transparency. There were times when the company's future looked uncertain, but Zhang Bo stayed focused. Instead of stepping back, he adapted, restructuring operations and pushing forward. Because in business, survival isn't about avoiding storms, it's about learning how to navigate through them. Today, Zhang Bo's influence extends far beyond China. His company plays a major role in the global aluminum supply chain. Countries, industries, and corporations rely on the materials produced by his empire. And with the world shifting toward electric vehicles and renewable energy, demand for aluminum is only increasing, which means Zhang Bo's empire isn't just big, it's future-proof. Despite his massive wealth, Zhang Bo remains incredibly private. No flashy headlines, no social media drama, no billionaire showmanship. He represents a different kind of power, quiet, calculated, and deeply strategic. While others chase attention, he builds influence behind the scenes. From a family factory to a global aluminum empire, Zhang Bo's journey is proof that true success isn't always loud. Sometimes the most powerful people are the ones you hear about the least. And while the world focuses on tech billionaires and celebrities, Zhang Bo continues to shape industries silently. Not all empires are built in the spotlight. Some are forged in steel, power, and silence.